With practiced hands, the workers prepare to make the crucial first cut. The key is to slice the bark just deep enough to reach the flow. As the sun rises over the plantation, the tappers begin their synchronized work, carefully scoring the bark.
In the heart of the plantation, safety is paramount. These thick leather gloves protect the workers as they begin.
The process begins with a precise incision into the bark of the rubber tree. Almost immediately, the thick, milky white latex begins to flow. A skilled hand carefully taps the tree, and the steady stream of latex begins its journey from the bark to the collection bucket below. The tapper first collects the accumulated latex before carefully shaving the bark with a specialized knee. Once the cup is full, it is placed securely in its holder, allowing the precious latex to slowly drip until collection. This milky white latex, tapped fresh from the Hevea brasiliensis tree, is the raw material for countless products we use every day.
This methodical process ensures every drop of the viscous latex is collected before it is sent for processing.
In this bright midday sun, the logistics team demonstrates the precision required to move the valuable cargo to the waiting truck.
The logistics team ensures every pallet of containers is securely loaded, maintaining the flow of goods from the warehouse to the market. To ensure the highest quality, the thick liquid is carefully defiltered through a fine mesh sieve.
The raw materials are carefully introduced into the mixing vat, where our helical agitators ensure a
The process begins with the careful introduction of powdered stabilizing agents, followed by the activation of the industrial mixer.
The process begins with a single press, ensuring the mixture is held at a stable 32.0 degrees Celsius.
Check the temperature on the main panel, it's fluctuating again.
Verified.
The batch data shows we are within the acceptable range.
The mixture is carefully transferred to the primary bioreactor, where our specialized process ensures the highest quality standards are met.
As the solution moves through the pipeline, our technicians perform real-time quality checks, guaranteeing purity and consistency.
Every stage, rigorous quality checks are performed. Samples are meticulously collected and labeled to ensure each batch meets our exacting standards.
At Your Brand Name Labs, technicians utilize advanced viscometry to guarantee the perfect consistency of the cream before it reaches the market.
The line is clear. Activate the conveyor and maintain speed at 500 units per minute.
Pay close attention to the sequence here. When I engage the system,
The belt moves the jars under the nozzles for the pressurized rinse.
Check the flow rate on channel 3.
It's fluctuating more than expected. This fracture here means the annealing process was incomplete. So we pull these from the line immediately.
Ensure the etching is precise before it moves past this point.
Batch 47 confirmed. Scanning next. We need to ensure the alignment is precise before we restart the line.
Right. Just about there.
The alignment is corrected now.
Looks good. We are within tolerance.
The throughput increased by 10% here.
The glass formers move through the automated line before undergoing rigorous manual inspection by our dedicated team.
The process begins with meticulous inspection of the glass molds before they are submerged into the liquid latex bath.
This specific batch shows minor imperfections right along the rim. We need to monitor the next cycle closely. See how the dripping ensures an even thickness before it moves to the drying section.
The automated process ensures a precise, uniform coating. The molds rotate. The molds travel seamlessly into the industrial oven, maintained at a precise 145 degrees Celsius.
The swirling seems adequate at this speed.
Yes, and the temperature is stable.
So this is the final wash. Once the rinse cycle is complete, the batch-ready light will illuminate, signaling it's time for transfer.
Okay, now open valve 3 and keep an eye on the flow rate.
We need to ensure the flow rate is precise to avoid clumping.
I agree. Let's make a note on the quality control sheet.
Okay, bring it over here to the top rack. Make sure it drains completely first. The throughput on lane 3 is slowing down again.
I see it. Check the sensor alignment right here.
The OEE is stable, but we need to address this variability on the second line.
According to the data, we're exceeding the target output for this hour.
The new calibration seems to be working perfectly.
Our state-of-the-art facility combines advanced technology with meticulous human oversight, guaranteeing reliability and safety at every stage.
We maintain the highest standards, ensuring every rejected unit is cataloged. Then, in the
35 millimeters on the stretch test.
Confirmed. Entering the data now.
The temperature is fluctuating right here.
I see it. Adjust the feed rate slightly. Stop right there. Okay, lift slowly. Watch the shelf on level 9. Watch your spacing on the left.
Confirm the input here. Let's proceed.
According to the tablet, this shipment is complete.
And the weight checks out. Let's move it to the dock.
Safety is paramount here at the loading dock. With a clear signal, the team ensures that this massive pallet is secured efficiently and without incident.